Now next case is the case number 3. If phase angle is 90 degree or pi by 2 radian, it indicates that particle is at positive extreme position during the first oscillation. For the second oscillation, it will be 360 plus 90. Then the second oscillation, or 2 pi plus pi by 2, and so on for the successive oscillation. Now next one is, if the phase is 270, it means that particle is at negative extreme position during the first oscillation. For second oscillation is 360 plus 270, or we can write 2 pi plus 3 pi by 2 radian, and so on for the successive oscillation. I repeat again in simple word here. So at mean position, theta is 0. It is moving towards the positive extremity. When it reach here, theta is equal to 90. Okay? You can see here, it is 90, means where it is positive extreme. Then again, when it start moving back, then when it comes to this position, theta is 180. So theta is 180 means it is again at mean position. You can see here theta 180 means it is at mean position and moving towards negative. Now it is moving to this side, and when it reaches to this negative extremity, theta is equal to 180 plus 90 is 270 degree. 270 means it is at negative extreme. You can see here 270 means negative extreme position. You can see case number 4. Then again, I will use the different pen now. Again, it come to this point. It start moving to this side and come here. Then theta is 270 plus 90 is 360. 360 means it is coming at mean. You can see here 360 means it is in the mean position and the beginning of the second oscillation, and so on. Let's see an example based on this. Describe the state of oscillation if the phase angle is 1110 degree. Now let's see the solution here. So 1130, that we write in a multiple of 360 plus something. So 3 into 360 plus 30 is 1110. So in 1 means, it means that here the 3 complete oscillation and then 30. Okay. So listen. So here you remember. So here x is equal, theta is equal to 0. So here theta is equal to 90. 3 into 360, it means that 3 oscillation plus something indicate 4th oscillation, some part. Now, if we substitute here, x is equal to a sine omega t. So here phase omega t is 30 degree. If we substitute here, then we get x is equal to a sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So a by 2. So x is equal to a by 2. Means let us show it by blue line here. X is equal to a by 2 means here theta is 30 degree. Between these two, this phase is 30. So here it is 0. So between this mean and extreme, it is, means x is equal to a by 2, it is 30, and x is equal to a, it is 90. Thus phase angle indicate that this 1110 degree indicate that during its 4th oscillation, the particle is at plus a by 2 and moving to the positive extreme. Means it reached to this position. You can see here, I will show it by dot. So it reached at the middle position. X is equal to a by 2. Now next example is, while completing its third oscillation during linear SHM, a particle is at minus root 3 by 2 A, heading to the mean position. Determine phase angle. Now here let's see the solution here. So here x is equal to, we use the formula x is equal to A sine omega t, or A sine omega t means the phase. So this omega t indicate total phase. Now if we substitute, so this is the formula. By using this formula, we can determine here theta is equal to this pi by 3. Theta is equal to pi by 3. Now, or we can write this theta as a pi plus pi by 3 or 2 pi minus pi by 3. So both are equivalent to this. But here, from negative side, the particle is heading to the mean position. Here they given it in a problem. Particle is heading to mean position. Thus the phase angle in the fourth quadrant. And so obviously this is the right one. So we can write theta is equal to 2 pi minus pi by 3. And the value of this angle repeated after every 2 pi. So theta is, we can write, it is a third oscillation and the phase angle is. So in 2 oscillation, 2 into this 2 pi plus this theta 1. And this is theta 1. That after substituting we get 4 pi plus 2 pi minus pi by 3. So 4 pi plus 2 pi, it is 6 pi. So 6 pi minus pi by 3. After solving it, we are getting 17 by 3 pi is the phase angle.